Kashmir Valley is in the grip of extreme cold as Srinagar recorded season's lowest temperature of minus 2.2 degrees. Shopian was the coldest in Kashmir with temperatures touching minus 5.5. So the snowfall that we witnessed, the intermittent snowfall that happened in the last couple of weeks in the mountainous belts has led to a freezer, an AC kind of effect on the plains. Now these temperatures usually are witnessed in deep winter in December and January, but this time around in November itself there are extreme harsh cold conditions. Now places like Dras and Ladakh are breaking new records of being coldest as far as November is concerned, with temperature going down to minus 15 degrees. So that really tells you about the kind of cold that's prevalent in Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh, and especially if you talk of Kashmir Valley, where, if IMD is to be believed, the temperatures are going to further plummet in the coming days, and there are at least 3 feeble western disturbances that can hit Kashmir in the next 10-12 days. So that will bring more rain, snow as far as mountainous areas are concerned. So clearly these cold conditions are only going to further aggravate. The temperatures are going to further dip, and as far as locals are concerned, there is another issue where power cuts have increased. So that really is complicating the issues, multiplying the problems, and that has forced them to really go back to the traditional ways of remaining warm, traditional ways of heating themselves, like kangris which use coal, and that really is being made right now out of the leaves of chinar and other whatever wood they can put their hands on. They're making coal for winter. So that really is the situation, and in the coming days more rain and snowfall expected, and in many places, especially mountainous areas, small water bodies and streams have frozen, and at least that's what's happening very early in the morning. Day temperature slightly the temperatures increase, but in the morning, the night and the evenings are absolutely freezing. So Kashmir in the grip of extreme cold, and these cold conditions are only going to increase in the coming days. With camera person Tariq Lone, Mir Farid, Srinagar for India Today.